Hello guys, we are going to unbox. I have some receive delivery from Temu, and this is not a promotional video. This is only my personal items, and I buy some gadgets for my vlogging and my home studio. Let's start. We will unbox one by one item.
Number
First
one
of
box.
this, we'll see what is inside because I don't know all items. Yes, guys, here we can see this torch, rechargeable torch. Second, this also torch, small torch, and this data cable. And today my co-host is Akifa. Me and Akifa doing unboxing together. Akifa, you
Yeah.
can also talk.
Okay.
Now we will open other second box. Let's see. There is
Inside
more
is so many boxes.
items, more gadgets. First of all, this one. Second item. Then third. Fourth. This is 5,
Six,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
and 10.
and 10.
Last one.
Let's guys, now we'll start one by one. Even I don't know what is inside. We'll open one by one. Please stay with us. Okay, first we'll start from the cable. This is type C to normal A port, and this we can use with iPhone, with Samsung. This is type C cable, and it's 240 watt. And what is special, this I will show you. In the mobile we can insert like this, and it's become also stand, cable plus stand. Okay, now we'll open second item. This one is mobile holder, and it's rotatable, 360 we can rotate. Okay, let's go to next. This I did not remove, sorry. This is LED light, small but nice.
It's very bright.
Okay, next I need cutter. Wow, it's so nice. It's also mobile holder. And what's here? Oh, it's tiny spy camera. You can use at home. You can monitor your kids.
To look.
What is next? Oh wow, nice. This is mobile holder. You can mount your mobile with laptop, with any other metal, because it's magnetic and it's very nice, beautiful. Okay, let's
Silver.
go to the next. This is mobile holder
It's another
for
phone
car.
holder.
See, you can rotate. We can hold this. You can fix in your car with the dashboard or a front screen. This also very nice.
It's like a mini version of that big thingy.
This amazing thing. I hope you will like this. Akifa, support me.
It's
I'm only talking
another
alone.
phone
This
holder.
also mount to hold
Another
the
phone
mobile,
holder.
and we can move this. This is tape, double tape, and we can use, and this magnetic. This also
You,
mobile phone mount.
so
Like this we
just
can
remove it.
adjust with any item with metal because also magnetic.
Next box.
This one mirror we can use with the mobile. If you want to use back camera, you can hold with your mobile and you can watch yourself. This all gadgets mostly used with the mobile videography. Here you can see the catalog.
The next one.
Yes, next one coming. Let's guys open this one.
I guess it's another phone holder like all
This
of
is
these.
very important and special. This I will make separate vlog also. This is DJI mic. It's a receiver. It can connect me with the DJI mic 1, mic 2 and mic 3. And this we can use with Android phone. We can use with the iPhone. Okay, this I will make separate video special unboxing. And I will show you how to use this one. Let's go next. Right
It's
now I
a
don't
blue
know what
box.
is inside.
I guess it's a phone
Oh,
holder.
nice.
I think.
It's also pretty nice. This is light, LED light. We can use with mobile phone
It's
and we
a
can
mini
hold. It's
version.
small, but it's very nice and rechargeable.
It's a small version, like a big one but small.
And other gadgets we have inside, how we can hold with the mobile. You can see this data cable, charging cable. Okay, next, last item is remaining.
And it's very big and
It is
white.
big, and right now I don't know what is this.
And it's not a box, it's a prize in there.
Wow, I think it's some toolkit.
Is this a
Oh, this
suitcase?
also torch is bigger. LED torch. It's nice, this charging port. And here we can turn on. It's showing battery and just see
It
it's
burnt
light.
my eyes.
Turn that side. Look, it's light, amazing. It's really awesome. Okay, it's flashing. So guys, all unboxing is done. The remaining review for the DJI mic receiver that I will make separate video, and after this remaining we'll make in the next video. Thank you for watching and
iPhone.
please subscribe our channel HD World TV and Ashraf Ghatia 247. Thank you for
Bye.
watching. See you again.
Bye.
Bye bye.
I love you.